Hi guys, and welcome back to BuyDirectOnline. In today's video, I'd like to talk about the Klasse sit-stand stool. Just go over its features and benefits, and also show you how it can be used in the field. So starting with the seat, here we've got a shaped and moulded seat. This is manufactured from a very durable polyurethane material, which is chemical resistant. So excellent for use in medical, in laboratories, in the industrial sector, anywhere where you might spill something on the seat and you can just wipe it away. There is some penetrations in the top, as you can see in the top of the seat here. So if you do spill some liquid on there, it'll drain away through those penetrations and not stay on the seat. Now the back of the seat here, as you can see, this raised section, this is an excellent benefit of this particular model, because it just gives you something you can rest up against and you're not going to fall off the back of the seat or feel like you're getting close to the back. It really works well, and you'll see when I show you later on. Then you've got the little grip, it's this little hand grip here, which is great for moving the stool around. Just on the front, we have these ribs, which you can hopefully see in the video. Little raised rib sections. They're ideal for stopping you from slipping off the actual seat. So when you're seated, these little ribs just give you that extra grip so you don't go slipping off. Now the real ergonomic benefit and design of this particular Klasse sit-stand stool seat is the waterfall front. So you see this waterfall section here that just falls away nicely. It's not a sharp section, which this really is the crowning touch to this particular seat, because what you don't want is something digging into the back of your legs, and that stops circulation and that leads to blood flow not flowing to your legs and feet, and potentially cold feet, other things. So this is a really good benefit of this particular model. Now this is a gas lift height adjustable stool, and that's operated by a lever on the side here. As you can see, you just lift that lever. So if we put some weight on the stool and lift the lever, down we go to the lowest position. Very easy to operate, it's just a one-touch lever, and you just lift it up, and here we go, up to the top of its adjustment. So very adjustable, and you can have it anywhere in between. Now then, just wanted to show you the actual seated position. So you've got your foot ring, and as we're seated up like so, you can see at the back there, that little raised section is really helpful and giving me some great support, just knowing that I'm not going to fall off the back. It's an excellent little feature there. Now, as you can see, I've got my feet resting on the foot ring, quite a comfortable position there, and I can work away at a bench. Just taking the pressure off your legs, having them resting on that foot ring, rather than trying to reach onto the floor. And as you can see, I start sliding off the actual seat itself, and then it's digging into the back of my legs. So rest up, sit up, put your feet on the foot ring, and that's also height adjustable. So we'll show you that foot ring now and how that works. It's got a little knob on the side here, so you undo that knob and you can actually, as you can see, you can adjust the height of that up and down. So take it right up to the top, and you lock it in, you take it to the middle, anywhere along the shaft, and you can, as you can see, lock that in. So that's a height adjustable foot ring, what we call the drafting foot ring. Now it is only a foot rest, so it's not, don't use it for climbing up to reach up to something. It's not designed for that, it is for just resting your feet on. So once again, we're seated on our stool, got our feet resting on the foot ring, and why this is called a sit-stand stool is obviously if you're seated or if you're standing, it's very easy to use, as you can see. So it's very easy to move also. You can move around quite easily and sit or stand. So hence the name sit-stand stool. Now the base and casters, it comes standard with these just rolling casters. You could fit glides to it so that it would be rigid and not move. So that is an option. And then there's friction casters. There's also anti-static casters. A wide range of locking casters that you could fit to this particular stool. It's a universal fit. Now the stool itself comes with 120 kilo weight rating, so it's very heavy duty, and also comes with a 10-year commercial factory warranty. We've been selling these stools for over 15 years now to the Australian market, and had excellent feedback and a lot of success with the design, especially this raised back and the waterfall seat. So I trust that shows you how to operate the Klasse sit-stand stool, and also goes over some of the features and benefits of this particular stool. If you'd like to know any more, please reach out to us today, and thanks very much for watching.